Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a t-shirt and jeans video for the eyes again, and we are going to do a peach color this time. And it's going to be really basic. We're going to do one wash of color and then liner and lashes. That's it. So it's probably going to be a fast video. I'm going to be using my Violet Voss palette. This is the Pro Eyeshadow. I think there's another name on it. Holy Grail, my Holy Grail. And the color I'm going to use, well, I'm going to use two colors. I'm going to use this Thanks a Latte just to cover or set the eye base. And then we're going to go in with So Jelly right there. And that, I think, is all we're going to do. We'll have to wait and see, but I'm pretty sure that's all we're going to do. So we're going to start with my Essence Eye Base. And we're just going to put this on to cancel out all this purpleness and get a nice smooth palette to build our t-shirt and jeans eyes. Now I'm going to take my sponge and smear this around. One thing about these eye looks, when they're like a one color type thing, you get to see it all because I don't have to edit out so much to get it shorter. So I'm going to let that set for just a moment. And then I'm going to go into that Thanks a Latte. Did I show you the color of the Thanks a Latte? It is this one. Let's see. It's the third one. It's the one in the middle right here. That's the one we're going to use to set this. We're going to go into So Jelly right there. And we're just going to give it a good wash. Pull it up a bit. This looks very peachy in the palette, but it comes off kind of pink on the eyes. Hopefully my peach shirt will make it turn peach, because that's what I'm going for, a peachy look. And this is such a pretty color. I probably should have put concealer underneath it to make it even more peachy. But, oh well. Very pretty. Okay, that's it. That's all we're going to do with the eyeshadow. Now we're going to go in with some liner. Okay, I'm going to go in with my brown liner. And I'm going to push line. And to push line, you just take your little finger and you put it on your eyeball. And you push down just enough for your lash to curl up around your finger. And then you draw between the lashes. And then I'm going to put a little bit on top, on the outer corner, because I'm going to pull it up and smudge it. Because I feel like that's a jeans and t-shirt kind of look when you pull it up and smudge it. And then I take a flat brush and I just wiggle it back and forth and kind of pull up a little bit to make a nice, to get it spread out between the lashes and to make a smudgy liner line. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to do our lashes and we'll be done. And I'm going to use the So Fierce and the Princess together. Ouch. Now I'm going to let that one dry, and then I'm going to curl it again. Sometimes when I curl my lashes, I mess up my liner. I don't know if it's because there's something on the curler, or if I'm just getting too close. Now I'm going to use the Fierce again. And I'm going to use the So Fierce on the bottom. Now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to put this Lash Princess from Essence in the False Lash Effect on them. Only on the top though. I always only put one coat of whatever I'm using on the bottom. It's great. I will go back in one more time and curl them again after this dries. And that's it. I have to go back in and get these little dots off, which I actually think might be dry, hopefully. Yep. That's it. I'm going to come back in one more time and curl them when they're dry, probably in like 15 minutes. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!